In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your TikTok Shop commission. So let's dive right in. First, open your TikTok app and ensure you're logged into the account that's connected to your TikTok Shop. This is crucial because you want to make sure you're setting up commissions in the right place. Once you've confirmed you're in the right account, head over to your profile. You'll notice a menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a tap. This will bring up a list of options. Now look for TikTok Studio or the TikTok Shop Creator Center, which might be accessible right from your main profile page. If you see either of these options, click on it to proceed. Once you find yourself in the seller dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Earnings nestled under the TikTok Shop Toolkit. This section is your financial hub where you can manage how you get paid for your hard-earned sales. Here you have the opportunity to set up your withdrawal options. You might want to select between manual withdrawal, where you'll decide when to move your earnings, or auto withdrawal, which takes the hassle out by automating the process. Either way, make sure your withdrawal method aligns with how you like to manage your finances. Once you've sorted out your payment method, navigate back to your seller dashboard. Now, there's something exciting waiting for you called the product marketplace. Go ahead and tap on it. Here's where the magic happens. You can start adding products or sharing them to earn commissions through affiliate sales. The marketplace is filled with opportunities, and the more efficiently you harness them, the better your chance of optimizing what you earn. All your earnings will be reflected in your seller dashboard under estimated commission. This is a great way to keep track of how well your products are performing and, of course, to motivate you to try different strategies for boosting those sales. And there you have it, folks. That's how you can efficiently set up your TikTok Shop commission using just the TikTok mobile app. I hope this guide was clear and helpful for you. If you found the video useful, please make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more insightful tutorials. Your support means a lot as it helps us to continue creating content that makes a difference. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.